Every business starts with a core purpose. Today, Probest unveils its brand new look, and we invite you to witness this milestone with us. Step into our new exhibition hall, and the first thing that catches your eye is our proud corporate innovation wall. Every certificate marks a technological breakthrough. Every patent stands as the solid technical foundation of our products. This is where our story begins. Turn around and you'll see our mission, vision, and values more than just words on a wall. They guide our every step forward. Further inside, you'll find our family of water quality sensors and matching transmitters. Take our PFDO 800 fluorescent dissolved oxygen online analyzer, a flagship product of our optical sensors. It acts like a sharp eye, capturing the tiniest changes in water. Our PIN 3 to 900 ammonia nitrogen online analyzer represents our breakthrough in electrochemistry. Precision and stability are its defining strengths. Moving forward, we enter the world of compact integrated water quality analyzer. Online analyzers for organic matter, nutrients and heavy metals turn data collected by sensors into in-depth water environment monitoring insights. Take the PCM200TP Total Phosphorus Online Automatic Water Quality Monitor as an example. It delivers real-time monitoring of total phosphorus in water, serving as a frontline guardian for drinking water and surface water. Data and analysis ultimately serve real-world applications. The Smart Water Affairs Zone showcases how we equip urban water supply, drainage, and treatment with a smart brain. Our online water quality monitoring system for water supply networks, for instance, allows plant managers to keep track of a city's water pulse right from their offices. Last is the Industrial Process Instrumentation Zone, a showcase of our cross-industry technological applications. The POIL 800 Industrial Oil and Water sensor is built for harsh industrial environments, high temperature resistant, anti-interference, and stable for long-term operation. From innovation to sensing, analysis to application, this exhibition hall is a 3D chronicle of our technology. It fully presents our product ecosystem and technical expertise in water quality and process monitoring. Across from the exhibition hall is our integrated office area, which used to be where the hall stands today. As our product line grew, we expanded the exhibition space and relocated the office here, devoting more room to product displays and a brighter environment for daily work. Its core role is to provide efficient, organized back-end support for daily operations, so all frontline teams can focus on driving growth. Next to the integrated office is our unshakable cornerstone, the R&D department. Amid all the layout upgrades, the R&D department has stayed in its original place. It demands extreme focus and continuity. Every product concept, every patented technology is born here. Their unchanging mission: focus on cutting-edge trends, deepen technical research, and infuse every product with a solid core. How do we ensure top-tier designs are flawless? The answer is our test center. Every product ready for delivery goes through rigorous, tough training. Here, safety compliance tests, durability tests, extreme environment simulations, long-term stability trials, and more. With a professional testing team and complete procedures, this center is our quality gatekeeper, using data and standards to guarantee only reliable products reach you. Once designs pass and tests clear, products move to mass production in our manufacturing workshop. Equipped with multiple efficient professional production lines, it specializes in the precise assembly of transmitters and sensors. Every step is orderly, every process meticulous. Our team turns technical blueprints into tangible, high-quality products accurately and efficiently. Now we're on the second floor, home to our dedicated production line for compact integrated instruments. This is where our online analyzers are carefully assembled. A standalone line ensures professional, smooth manufacturing of extra-large, ultra-precise products. Also on this floor are our newly relocated service and repair departments. Moving from the fourth to the second floor may seem like a small shift, but it's a big leap in service efficiency. Customer visits, equipment repairs, and technical support are all handled in one place on the second floor, faster, closer, and more attentive. Their clear, firm duty: safeguard the full life cycle of our products and give customers total peace of mind. Finally, we reach our expanded and upgraded integrated innovation department. Its open layout encouraged brainstorming and collaborative development. Our team turns bold ideas, combined with the latest technologies, into innovative products and solutions that deliver real value. Space is the best catalyst for creativity. From the exhibition hall showcasing our achievements, to the R&D department at our technical core. From the rigorous test center, to the precision manufacturing workshop. From the fast response service hub, to the inspiration-driven innovation source. This upgrade is more than just a spatial change. It is Probest's renewed promise to professionalism, quality, and innovation. We move forward with a fresh look, yet remain true to our original aspirations.